I wanna freak you as soon as I can beat you. I wanna know you leaving with your friends after this, so you coming with me? Don't think we can keep up. Tell me, what does that mean? We can go fast or slow, either way. After this, I just wanna freak you. I said you. You should just let me freak you. I said you. You should just.
Sabi ng barkada ko na gusto niya daw tumikim. Sinabihan ko na pare dun na lang sa may dilim. Hanggat maaga pa habang wala na ring nakatingin. Humipak ng humipak hanggang kami ay maaning. Mahiwagang kulay na sumilip sa ibang planeta na binitbit. Kulay asul at berde ang paligid. Pwede ang maingay o kahit tahimik.